Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my online class. English second paper for class 9 and 10. I hope you are all okay because you are at home and be quiet. So, yesterday I took your class gap filling activities, question number 1 with clues. But now I am taking class about gap filling activities but without clues. So that is the difference. But the process of making this gap filling activities almost same. Because first you will have to read the passage carefully, then try to guess the meaning of this passage, and then try to fill in the gaps without clues. You can fill in the blanks many words from one words, or you can use more than once or similar words that you like. So first, now you will have to complete this fill in the gaps. So before you have done this work, that word is word meaning. So have a look at the word meaning of this passage. So suppose you don't know the meaning of this words confined, then continuous, then process. So have a look at the words. Suppose you don't know the meaning of these words. So have a look at the words. Continued, that means simabodhi. Process means prokia. Continuous means chalana. So have a look at the passage or guess the meaning of this passage. So education not confined to schools, colleges and universities. Then we can get education, gap family, society and gap world. So the education which we get, gap our real life, has more gap than the education gap in schools and colleges. Every day we gap something. This process of gap continues. It begins gap but in the end with last gap. That is the full stop. So now I think you all guess the meaning of this passage. Now try to fill in the blanks with your own way. So first, education. Gap not confined to schools, colleges and universities. We can easily say in Bangla that শিক্ষা আমাদের স্কুল কলেজ এবং ইউনিভার্সিটির মধ্যে সীমাবদ্ধ নয়, isn't it? I think it is safe. So now education is, so we can get is for the first gap. You should write the answers in your answer scripts or exam khata in this way. So number A is, at first answer to the question number, this is model question 2 or question number 2 gap filling activities with or without clues. So have a look without clues. So answer to the question number 2, A for each, number B, number C, number D, number E. In this way you will have to write the answers in your answer script or exam khata. So I think you are all understand my meaning. So now have a look number 2 or B, gap. So we can get education. আমরা শিক্ষা পেতে পারি gap family society, that means from. We can get education from family society and this is the or, so you must use article the word. So now the education which we get, the education which we get, that's our real life has more. So what can we get from here? What can we get from here? We get from, again from. You can use more than once. Here is from, here is from. So you can use 2 or more times the same word. So now we can we get from our real life has more. This is then. That means comparative. More important. Important has more important than, because it is comparative form. More important than the education. Gap in schools, that means passive form. Earned in schools, যেটা তুমি অর্জন করেছো, যেটা তুমি যে শিক্ষাটা অর্জন করেছো কোথায়, স্কুল এবং কলেজ, so it is earned. This is passive mode. Then every day we, obviously it is earn or learn something. We learn, L-E-A-R-N. Every day we learn something. আমরা প্রতিদিনই কিছু না কিছু শিখি. Learn something. This process means প্রক্রিয়া. This process of, এই প্রক্রিয়া কিসের প্রক্রিয়া? অবশ্যই শিক্ষার প্রক্রিয়া. This process of learning. This process of learning continues. এটা চলমান প্রক্রিয়া, শিক্ষার প্রক্রিয়া. It begins. এটা আরম্ভ হয় কোথায়? কোথা থেকে? From birth. And end with death. জন্ম থেকে মৃত্যু. So that's why end with death. So that is the end of this passage. Or so you can use here another preposition begins with birth, from birth, with birth. So you can use more preposition. So have a look at the gap filling activities. So you can use every gaps, article, preposition, and any parts of speech. So that is the rules. That is the theme of this passage. So first try to guess the meaning, then try to understand all the meanings. So have a look at the clues or odd meanings, then guess the meaning of this passage. Then one by one you will have to fill in the gaps using by article, preposition, and any parts of speech. So I will take next class from substitution table from a question number 3. So next day I will take this. So till then, be well at your home. So thanks a lot. Thank you very much.